Are you a teenager looking to make extra money, but don't have the time or desire to work full-time? Perhaps you are already working part-time, but need more money to save up for big purchases, such as a new car or console. It's not necessary to have a full-time job to make money online, but there are lots of options. Many of these methods can be done at home, and you will earn passive income. These 11 online jobs are available to teenagers who want to earn real money in America.
This is so ridiculous. In one way, I'm yours. In one way.
Swagbucks. Swagbucks can be a great place for you to start. This website can help you make money by inviting friends, taking surveys, playing various games, and even searching the internet for keywords. Survey Junkie. To make money, you can sign up with this paid survey company by simply answering questions. You can earn gift cards or cash through PayPal by taking part in this survey panel. Opinion Outpost. You can earn money on this site by answering surveys. For every survey completed, you earn points which can be used to transfer points into cash, gift card or other prizes. Paid Viewpoint. Paid Viewpoint is a short survey that you can take. This site is great as their surveys don't take as long as other sites. So you might be able to make more money. Gingit. Gingit is a great way to make some extra money as a teenager online. Sign up now and you can start to see online ads. Then, you can passively make money. Inbox Dollars. This rewards site will pay you to complete surveys and watch videos, play video games, read emails, surf online, shop online, and take part in other activities. Your earnings can be withdrawn via PayPal, check, or direct transfer. U-Haul. U-Haul is looking for teenagers aged 16 and over to fill the role of customer service representative online. It's a great opportunity to make some extra money and is legitimate as a part-time job. Slice the Pie. This website is music-based and allows you to earn money simply by listening the tracks of the artists. It's a great way of making money while you surf the web or do your homework. Music X-Ray. This service allows you to listen to music and give feedback. Each song you listen gets between 5 cents and $0.20. Blogging. Blogs are an option if you are good at writing. If you have the ability to attract a large audience, your site will generate a lot more ad revenue. YouTube. YouTube is the best place to learn if you love creating videos. Your channel will grow and you might eventually be able to earn a substantial monthly salary from ad revenues. It is legal for teens to work online. You should remember that many online companies have age restrictions. These include cutoff marks of 13 and 16 years. If the content they provide is of an adult nature, some companies will not permit you to work online as a teenager. Some organizations that allow teenagers aged 13 and 16 to work for them will require parental approval or support. This could include providing the parent's social security number or birth date. It varies from site to website. Do your research and find out what the requirements are before you make any money with them. Many companies that offer teenagers work online will pay them via PayPal or other online wallets such as Skrill. PayPal is the most used because it is simple to sign up and doesn't have a limit of 18 years. You can work online while you are a teenager. Sites like the ones above are 100% safe to use because they don't need any personal information. Online working as a teenager can be safe as long as you take precautions and do not give your personal information out to strangers. You don't have to reveal your identity very often, if at any rate, with most of the online employment methods. As a teen working online, it is unlikely that you will make much money, especially with these websites. However, there are some exceptions. Some teenagers become YouTubers or bloggers and gain thousands of subscribers. These are rare exceptions and not the norm. Most teens will make a small amount of extra money by working online. This is great if your only goal is to make extra money for hobbies or socializing with friends.